Vacuum leak symptoms. A vacuum leak can negatively impact your vehicle's performance and driving abilities, jeopardize your safety, and cause severe engine damage. While we'd like to tell you that duct tape is the solution, it's best that you fix the vacuum leak. But how do you tell if you have a vacuum leak? Let's find out. 1. Check engine light comes on. Engine vacuum leaks almost always trigger the check engine light. While this won't let you know you have a vacuum leak immediately, a quick scan tool check may reveal a P0171 or P0174 code. 2. Strange engine noises. Since engine vacuum leaks pull in air at high pressures, you're bound to hear strange sounds from under the hood. You'll likely hear squealing or hissing sounds from air sucking through cracks in the intake manifold gasket or vacuum hose. Luckily, these sounds are hard to miss unless you play music a bit too loud. 3. Engine performance issues. When you have a vacuum leak, you'll have excess air in your engine, compromising your air-to-fuel ratio. This means your engine's vacuum compression in the combustion chamber is insufficient to create the needed power. This will increase engine speed and result in strain, causing engine performance issues. In extreme cases, your engine's vacuum leak can cause your car to stall while driving, which is very dangerous. Are you finding this video helpful? If so, kindly subscribe to our channel, and let's continue with the video. 4. Backfires. Touching back on air-to-fuel ratios, a vacuum leak will likely make your engine run lean, too much air. This means the engine cannot efficiently ignite fuel in the combustion chamber. When fuel builds up in the cylinders and combustion occurs, it will expel a backfire. Note, backfires happen for various reasons, but it's a good idea to get your engine checked out when they do or when you notice an illuminated check engine light. 5. Rough idle. A rough idle is a key sign of a vacuum leak. With excess air in your engine, your car will be working overtime to create power. This will cause revs, RPMs, to bounce up and down on the tachometer, and you'll experience excessive vibrations when your car is idle. If a rough idle symptom is left ignored, it can damage your engine's internals. 6. Black exhaust smoke. We hate to break it to you, but your car is not a smoke machine. However, black smoke coming from your exhaust could indicate a vacuum leak. When your engine has an improper air-to-fuel ratio, cylinder combustion levels will be insufficient, leading to black exhaust smoke. That brings us to the end of this video. If you begin to notice one or more of these symptoms, we advise that you have your car checked right away. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and drive safely.